Senapati District Student Association (SDSA) has warned of imposing indefinite economic blockade along the National Highway No. 2 if mobile internet ban is not lifted for hills districts. According to release issued by the Publicity and Information Wing of Senapati District Student Association, the 5-month-long mobile internet ban which has been imposed in the state due to the ongoing conflict was taken up as a measure to curb the spread of rumors and messages that might have repercussions on the already volatile situation of the state. However, in hill areas where there is no disturbance in law and order situation, imposing of mobile internet ban is not called for. The release also asserted that there is no proper facility for broadband services in the far-flung areas under hill districts, and in today's modern world, internet service is not only a necessity and has been accorded as one of the fundamental rights. In view of this, the SDSA has stated that it is set to impose indefinite economic blockade along with National Highway No. 2 beginning from 6 p.m. today if the mobile internet ban is not lifted, the release added.